What's going on, guys? Noah here, and I just wanted to show everybody that I'm cleaning some of my driveway. Like, look at all this right here. I'm gonna clean most of this up. Depends on how much the thing can hold, because it is kind of small but big. So anyways, we have a, what do you call these trees? I forgot. Yeah, so if anybody knows what kind of trees these are, let me know, because I'm gonna vacuum up the leaves that left. Look at the cracks of the driveway. There's some right there. And so, but anyways, we're using a Ridgid 22.0 horsepower peak 6-gallon wet dry vac. All right, so but anyways, we're gonna start on these leaves right here, because it is starting to drizzle a little, so I'll take care of the motor. So I'll have to do this quickly. So anyways, here we go. Note, this is very loud, so please turn down your volume. Note, I am not responsible for any hearing damage to headphone users. So here we go. All right, that does about it for the video. How much is it getting up? Yeah, that's a lot. To the other side. Yeah, I could see it right down there. Close her up. All right, so anyways, that does it for the video. Comment, subscribe, like, comment, subscribe for more.